What's up, team? It's Tiarrea B, naturally, and in today's video, it is Sunday, and I am so excited because I just finished church. We had a good word. Okay, so I decided, so basically I'm just going to go ahead and do some Uber and DoorDashing today and see how much money I can make in just a short period of time, because I also got to stop by Walmart a little bit later and pick up a few things, so we'll just see how that goes. I won't be doing too much vlogging while I'm actually working, but at the end I will let you guys know how much I made altogether for the couple of hours that I will be Ubering and dashing, or even Grubhub, whichever one decide to come through with the money first, right? All right, let's go. Yeah, it's currently 11:52 a.m. It is hot and sunny, 59 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue my day. Back in the car, and overall I've had a pretty good day so far. It's like 4:44. Done with working. I made $51. I'll put it on the screen. All Uber. So, and the tips were pretty amazing. I did have one where I had to pick up some dog food from the Petco, and I thought it was like a combination of like a good tip and the fare, but surprisingly the fare was $14 and there was no tip. So that kind of sucked, but miles for money either way was really good. It was like 10 miles for $14, so tip or no tip, that was pretty good. But I was just kind of shocked that they didn't tip, because I'm like, dang, that dog food was like really heavy. And since I decided to go straight after church, I'm out here like working in my heels and my jewelry and stuff, so I'm like, would have been nice to get a little tip on that one. But nonetheless, I've been very, very blessed today. I got the $51 in like under 2 hours, like an hour and 50 something minutes, so very good. Now I'm gonna head home and go ahead and cook and finish out the rest of my Sunday. I hope you guys are having an amazing day whenever you watch this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Listen, I'm Tiarrea B, and I am out. Blessings.